From grade 8, we have Paulina Rojas, 5th place English, 7th place Science. Royce Chrysler Casiano, 7th place Mathematics, and champion Science. Sophia Grace Cruz, 2nd place Mathematics. Grade 2, Rihanna.
Try daw. Uy, uy. Okay na. Happy na. Paano yung pizza natin? Wala na. Sige, buhatin mo yan. Sa'yo naman yan. Kaya tayo, ha?